Hi guys, I would like to say that you are on my channel and actually name a channel, but honestly I don't have any name at all. So I would like you to write some names in comment below and I will choose the best one. Um, also, what I would like to talk in this video. This is actually a fast video in this channel and maybe I would like to talk about who I am, what this channel will be all about, and so on. So, firstly, I will briefly introduce myself. First thing that I want to mention is um, I am not an English speaking person. My native language isn't English, so just sorry about this accent and all of this stuff. Just sorry. Um, Second thing, I am a beginner in game development, game engine development, and so forth. So this channel will be mainly focused on game engine development. Game development also can be here um, in C++ actually, because firstly, this is actually the best language for game development, in my opinion. And this is the language that I pretty familiar with. So yeah. Um, Also, this engine, as I said before, will be about game engine and game development and all. So don't expect me to create something really, really beautiful uh, and complicated, like in months and so on. Like I am not that guy. I don't know everything, and I am just a beginner by now. So the purpose of this channel is to show you how to create some basic things that I already know how to create, and maybe create this game engine with you. So actually, we will create this engine, and there will be some public repo of this engine on GitHub, where I will explain everything that I did, because I'm just the type of guy that I like explain why I did this decision, what I did, and so on, and what I will do next. So that's why I create actually this channel, and also I would like you to have some influence in development of this engine. So actually, you can do whatever you want. You can just pull some requests, open some issues, and so on. Like I will actually maybe in future record some video about how to use GitHub and so on, like in on this repo and so on in this repo. Sorry about that. So the name of this engine will be Raccoon. So as you can see here, so I have a little Notion page about this engine. As you can see, I have here like a submodules and so on. Um, so because I already did something, and I have already some pretty basic version of this Raccoon game engine. But we will start creating a new one that will be public for you guys, and I will add something and record a video about that. So, firstly, in this video, I would like to talk about what this engine will be all about. So, as you know, or maybe you don't know this, uh, there is no perfect engine at all. So every engine have some video game category that they are specialized on. So for example, Unreal Engine, maybe you hear about that if you are watching a video about game engine. I I think you know what is Unreal Engine. So this game engine is actually focused on if I'm not yeah if I'm not mistaken, it's focused on first person shooter and third person shooter mainly. But just now, you can see that Unreal Engine is really huge, and you can develop pretty much all games in it, but not all. Actually, not all. There are no engines that can actually develop that you can develop any game on it. So we need to choose a category uh, of video games that we will be mainly focused on. Um, so I think we will focus on something not really I don't even know how to say it to you, not complicated. Um, in my mind, I want to say that we will be focusing on something like uh, Minecraft, but not Minecraft. Yeah, we will definitely focusing on a lot of instancing in our games. Like it should be like a voxel. Yeah, I mean a voxel game. Um, and we will focusing on physics mainly. Like I would like to create something like voxel, but also with opportunity to have something like a 3D world, a 3D open world games. And when we will create this, we will go on and create a networking. So this is actually everything that I want to do in this game engine. Um, Honestly, I don't know how to implement all of this stuff, but I think uh, you with me, we will learn, we will go, and this is just a way. So I cannot say to you that, yeah, I will create this, I will create this. I don't know what I will create. It's just a beginning plan. So it can be changed, it can change a lot. So, but just for now, I would like to focus on something basic. So there will be a lot of time go like uh, I will create something basic that all game engines have. Um, we will start by creating something like log system, assets, events, window abstraction, all of this stuff. Um, Also, like a layer system, scene system, maybe in future. What's next? Then we will maybe go to renderer and all of this stuff. Debugging, I mean debugging like graphics debugging, graphics runtime debugging, and so on. Uh, we will have all of this stuff fastly. And yeah, this will take a lot. This will really take a lot. It can take months, it can take years, and maybe not years. I hope it will not take years. But okay, so we will create something basic in 2D fastly, but with the design to grow in 3D. So, firstly, I hope this game engine will be for some 2D games with some 2D box collision, like 2D collision, 2D physics, and so on implemented in it. Um, Not sure about networking because actually I don't know a lot about networking, so maybe I will learn a bit more, and then I will understand if is it like complicated or not. And if it's not, like for 2D games, then we will try to implement it. That's maybe the main purpose of this. So we will firstly create something basic, like a log and so on, as I said before. Uh, then we will try to create a physics engine, physics engine, and uh, we will implement some basic stuff like collision, graphics, and gravity. Sorry about that, and so on. I don't even know all of this stuff. Like for now. Um Also, what we will create is actually some basic rendering technique. We will also support Fastly OpenGL because that's the rendering API I already know. Not pretty sure that I know it perfectly, and maybe like in a beginning level, but I am familiar with it. So we will start with OpenGL. Uh, and second reason why we'll use OpenGL because it's actually I don't even know how to say it. It's actually easier to use. It's just easier, yeah. Um, then DirectX 12, 11 and Vulkan. So we will firstly implement everything in OpenGL, but with the ability to add DirectX sooner and Vulkan sooner. So we will also create this engine firstly in on Windows, but also we will actually create a lot of APIs. So in future we will support Linux, I hope, and macOS. So that's the three operation systems that I care about. I don't. I am not sure about Android and all of this stuff. I am not really interested in it. So for me, just better to create something on PC and so on. So I hope you understand everything that I said. Yeah, really, it's just first video. It's just first time I talk in English. So I hope you understand. Yeah, just sorry about that. Sorry about that accent and my mistakes that I made in my uh, speech. Yeah. So I hope you now have basic understanding of what this engine will be about, and don't think this channel will be all about and this engine will be all about. So don't think about this channel as something that have some goal. Because actually for now, yeah, I said that the goal of this channel is to actually create an engine, but uh, I don't know. It can change. It can be not really only a game engine, only game development. It can be like a lot. There can be a lot of fun videos. Like we will play some games and so on. So hope you understand this. And actually creating a game engine is just not a goal. It's just a way. Yeah, it just I don't have a goal to create like an Unreal because I don't really understand how to create all of this. So it will be just a way. So I have some aim to achieve and I will go. And I really don't know what is this aim is all about. Like I don't know how to create this, but I will do this. I will try to do this with you actually. So firstly, we will actually I will create a public repo of this game engine. It will be called Raccoon. Um, and we will start by adding something to it. I don't really decide. We will actually maybe uh, talk about what we will use in this engine, and maybe creating something like an entry point of our engine and just uh, I don't know, just run it so you can see that everything is working. So that will be maybe the next video in this channel. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to support me, you can just click a like button, subscribe on this channel, and leave a comment with name for this channel below. It's yeah, it's really yeah. I will thank you very for this. Yeah, thank you very. Just what I'm talking about. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Click the like button and follow this channel. Uh, yeah, that's all.